Good morning YouTube and the internet. Previously on Screw This Car and I Hate My Life.
Yep. Alright, let's see if we can... No, oh, I've got it stuck in there good now. Come off, you bastard. Ah, my nail. Jesus, it's very sharp. It's a steel coming down under my hands. Oh fuck, you know it's slipping. It's the jaws on my fucking vice grips. What could possibly go wrong, huh? One of two things is going to happen here. It's coming out, or I'm breaking something. Combinations of breaking and injury, I think, are the most likely. I'd look very clever if this all worked first time, wouldn't I? That was never going to happen though, was it? It's banner of death. And I snapped the easy out! Yes! Yes! So, that is the first time I've ever broken an easy out. I've had to go to quite some lengths to do it, as you can see. So, if you're breaking easy outs all the time, you're doing it wrong. Just like I was there, I was doing it very, very wrong. Because I was in a pretty shitty spot. Now, the next 12 days will be me trying to get this easy out. Because that saw a lot of torque before it broke.
Well, your homemade tool didn't break.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Anyone tell me why I bought a 300 ZX? Okay, how am I going to get that out? Any ideas? I wonder if I can cut a slot in it with the angle grinder and get a screwdriver in it. I wonder if I can get the angle grinder in there without killing myself. Any suggestions, Ty?
No.
Pull the engine out. What do you think? Pull the engine so I can get this stud out? If I had a welder, I could weld to that. It's sticking out quite a long way. I feel like the angle grinder is required. And then I'll just have to drill this out. Now, I would like to put a helicoil in it, but I can't because the hole's not square on this one. The hole's square on this. Which is why I wanted to do this one. If I could get this one out, I was definitely going to be able to get this one out. But I'm just going to replace this with a nut and bolt. I've got no choice once I manage to get this easy out of the hole. Which might be a job for tomorrow. What do you reckon? I think I'm angry enough right now. What do you reckon? Angry break? Angry old man. Yells at cloud. I think I've earned a beer. My tool worked awesome. Where is it? A super tool. Look at that. It's still in one piece.
You made a super tool and you snapped an easy out in one day.
Yeah, 2 firsts. That's so proof of concept. It's good enough torque to snap the easy out, then it's good enough torque for the easy out to work. If it was ever going to work, it was clearly never going to work. Maybe if I used the good easy outs, which I wasn't, I used the shitty ones once I got it to this size and had to do weird things for fear of breaking it. So maybe the good one doesn't break as easily and I get it, but I don't know. I don't think so. I think she's forked. Time for a beer. Fuck it.